So this is attempt number 5 or 6 at making this video, because first some guy slammed on the brakes in front of me and my camera smacked against the fucking center console here. Second, I got a phone call from a customer. I had to take care of that. And then I tried doing it again, and my fucking phone battery goes low and shuts the video off. And then I tried doing it again, and then I didn't fasten it tight enough and the phone falls out. So I finally got it, but I am taking a bit of a risk here. The way that I have it set up normally, or not, I shouldn't say normally, I've only done it once, but when I did this before, I had the camera with the front-facing camera facing me. That way I can see in my mirror if it's still recording. But the quality of the video didn't come out as well as I was hoping it would. So I'm trying in this video with, if you're even still there, I don't know if it's still recording or not, but I have my phone facing with the front camera facing this way. So I'm going to try to get a video. If it doesn't record, it doesn't record, but hopefully it does. Got a little Honda Easy in traffic here. Do what we normally do, nothing illegal, just drive calm. So yeah, man, it's just another day. I hope you guys enjoyed the other video of the cut-ups. I hope you guys have been enjoying the shorts. Trying to push out as much content as I can, just purely because of the fact that I keep getting these new subscribers. I got about 20 in the last week, which is very motivational to me. I don't think this Honda wants me to go anywhere, because he's just sitting here in a spot that doesn't allow me to get out of my lane. There he goes. But yeah, so just doing my thing, man. I'm trying to pump out content for you guys, so you guys got something to watch, and hopefully I can entertain you guys on board. Oh, this guy's gonna go in front of me. Oh, he went over there, okay. So I did watch back the other video clip of, I watched back the, here's the thing, in this video I don't really know if I definitely posted it. Yeah, I definitely posted it, because I'm going to get home and finish editing it right now. So when I get home, I'm going to finish editing. I'm going to post another video of me doing this, the lower quality one. And I did realize while I was trying to edit that video last night that you do hear the sound of the car very well from the inside. So I'm very happy about that. I don't seem to need to open the windows or anything, and when I do open the windows, it just blows wind, and sometimes that knocks the camera over. So we're going to keep it how it is right now. You guys let me know in the comments if you think it was a good view and if it worked out well. And if it is, I'll keep doing it this way. But either way, I appreciate you guys for checking the video out. Also, another reason I'm taking a risk with this recording right now is because to record the last video, I actually had to delete a bunch of stuff in my phone because I didn't have the storage. And that video was 22 minutes long, and I didn't delete it. It's still in there. So that's another thing that can happen. This video can just end because I run out of storage. But I'm pretty sure I had my music on before I started the video, so I'm pretty sure if the video stops, my music should start playing, and I would know that it's not recording anymore. If my theory is correct, I'm not sure. Somebody asked me in my last video, or in the short, I made a short of this, of the other video, of why I use this. To be honest with you, I responded in the comment and I said it's just a force of habit, because it really is. This is just more comfortable, you know, just having my hand here. So I kind of just switch back and forth. If I'm doing something intense, like going around a tight turn or racing somebody, I'm all over the paddle shifters. You won't see me put my hand down. But if I'm just cruising like this, it's, it feels like a stick. It ain't no stick shift, but at least it kind of feels like I'm doing that, you know? Come on, man, give me my shit. Give me my props, you know what I'm saying? I can and can't drive a stick, right? So you guys will probably make fun of me for this, and that's totally okay. I've been a car guy my whole life. Like I say, I've been a car guy my whole life. You put me in a stick shift car, I can get it going. I might stall, but I know what I'm doing because I played video games, with stick shift cars in them, so I know how to do it. It's just whether or not I do it correctly. I don't know how to explain that. The biggest problem I seem to have an issue with is the gas clutch thing. Because it's hard to, until you get used to that, I feel like that's something you just got to do a lot, and eventually you get used to it. But it's kind of hard. But the other day, this is going to sound so silly, but to me, I was super proud of myself. We had oh, hold on, I got to make this light. We made it, but we're not making that one. So, I was proud of myself the other day because there was a Mazda, it's a Mazda, I think it was a CX-30, one of the little ones, and I had to move it because it was blocking my car in. So I go to move the car, and I look, and I see it's stick shift. And for a second, I was about to go inside and grab someone who knows how to drive stick shift, and have them move it. And then I was like, you know what? I'm going to do this myself. I'm going to figure it out. So I said, screw it. I went and grabbed the keys. I hopped in the car, and again, as silly as it sounds, I moved it maybe 5 feet forward, put it in reverse, stalled real quick, because I forgot you have to, on some cars, you got to press the shifter in to go into reverse. So stalled real quick, remembered that, put it in reverse, reversed it into the spot I wanted it to be in. I was so proud of myself. I don't really, like I say, I don't know how to drive stick, so I kind of learned a little bit. It was a cool experience. Eventually I'll figure it out. I'd like to eventually one day buy like a nice older M3 or old 3 Series maybe, and just get it manual and just learn how to bang gears in it. I don't know if you can see that, but there's an 8 over there, 8 Series. I don't know if it's an M or not. It was not. It was an M850i, which is it's kind of an M, but it's not a true M. So many potholes on this road right here. It's insane. So in the video yesterday, it was Sunday, and I said in the video that there probably wouldn't be any traffic because it was Sunday. Now it's Monday at 5:30 in New York, and there's less traffic on the road than there was yesterday. I mean, to be fair, I'm heading towards the city to come home, so most people are heading towards the city in the morning and coming home from the city at night, so I guess it makes sense. But I do usually have some pretty good traffic at this time on Monday. I'm surprised with what we're looking at right now. Slow right here on this cop spot right here. There's a little indent in the trees right about, is that it? No, it's right here. Right here. The trooper likes to hang out in there. He's not today. So we out. Oh, I upshifted on accident. See? I gotta stop using the stick. Let me listen to my comment. Accelerate around a turn like that with ease. No body roll, nothing. It's just planted to the ground. The car is so planted. It's my favorite thing about this car. I had the 650 before this, and I don't know if you guys saw my my driving across the country vlog. But in my driving across the country vlog, you guys see in the beginning of it, I had my 6 Series. I had a 650i before I had this. And that car, don't get me wrong, it was planted to the ground in comparison to another car like a Hyundai or something like that, or a Honda or something like that. But the difference between the way the M6 feels and the way the 650 feels is insane. It's a totally different car. A lot of people will tell you it's the same car with a different tune and just a little bit more power. I promise you that's not the case, man. These M's, they come with, oh, I got a bunch of stuff falling back there. These M's got, they got the track set up, so the wheels are a little bit wider, you get a little bit more planted, you got fatter tires, obviously more power, your internals are a little bit more able to keep up with the torque and the horsepower that you're putting onto the car. And, these things are built to be driven, so it's just a fun time, man. These cars in traffic who is in the middle lane going slower than everybody else, and everybody's just kind of passing him. I try to be that guy, but of course my temptations steer me otherwise, which is pretty bad. But it is what it is, man. It's fun. I would like for the Chevy to do what that GMC just did. Because then I can, and we can all, you know. Here. Maybe this Cadillac will want some. He's got a duckbill on the back, and he just went around, so maybe he wants some. I don't think it's a V. About it though, I can see him moving. Hopefully he doesn't want to go too crazy, because then I'm going to go too crazy and I don't want to do all that. Not the best move. He's going to get in right there. Yep, that's alright. Go switching back and forth again. The thing is, the way I look at this shit, like I want to chase him, you know. I don't want to pass him, because if I pass him, then it becomes a competition, and now we're racing. I'm not really looking to race. I'm just kind of looking to cat and mouse. He's gonna want to get in there. Yep, he's gonna get in there, and he's gonna get in front of me too. Yep, there he goes. Called it. That's alright. This Range Rover is going to try not to let me in, so I'm going to get over now. Don't turn this into a competition, my Cadillac friend, because it can be if you would like. Chevy getting into it too, or what? Nah, he's just ruining my fun, is what he's doing. been able, like that tight cut that he made, I probably would have been able to make that if we had a little bit more momentum. But it was a little too tight for me to be going as slow as I was. Alright guys, well, that'll be pretty much it. I appreciate you guys for watching once again. I'll be posting more videos soon. That was a quick little cut up. I want to say that cut up was probably a little bit better than the one from the last video. But either way, I'll get them both edited and uploaded. I appreciate you guys for watching. Drop a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see some more M6/car content. I do work at a car dealership, so I will be getting more content out. My buddy's MK5 Supra short is going to be coming out at some point tonight as well. Again, appreciate you guys, the new subscribers. Love you guys, and I will see y'all soon. Take care.